The Kuki INPI Manipur has forcefully rejected claims made by Manipur Chief Minister and Biren Singh regarding ongoing peace talks with Kuki Joe representatives. In a statement issued today, Kim leveled these claims as misleading and contrary to the views of the Kuki Joe community. The Kim reaffirmed its stance against engaging in negotiations with the Manipur state government, accusing it of organizing an ethnic cleansing campaign against their community. The organization highlighted its prior refusal of an invitation from Sri Dianganglung Gangmei, chairman of the Hill Area Committee on May 8, 2024, citing the government's alleged role in the persecution of the Kuki Joe people. According to Kim, any discussion of peace and reconciliation is futile without addressing the injustices faced by the Kuki Joe community. The group insists that justice can only be achieved through the establishment of a union territory with legislative powers for the Kuki Joe people. Kim also stressed that no individual entity has the authority to represent the Kuki Joe people in negotiations with the state government, dismissing such claims as baseless. The Kuki INPI Manipur urged media and other stakeholders to cease the dissemination of false information and to honor the Kuki Joe people's rightful position.